Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Literacy Lunch. My name is Miss Renee, and today I'm going to show you how to play a fly swatter game in your orton-gillingham or phonics lesson. This orton-gillingham activity can be used in a homeschool or classroom setting with any concept that your student is working on. So first, what you're going to need is some flashcards, a marker, and of course a clean fly swatter. First, what we're going to do is write our words on our index cards. For this example, I will be using AIA words such as the word pain. Next, we're going to take our cards and scatter them on the table or floor wherever your student is working. Finally, the teacher will call out a word, the student will find the word on the table, say the word out loud, and with their fly swatter, hit the word and say splat. Let's try it out.
Tail.
Tail. Splat.
Paint.
Paint. Splat.
Rain.
Rain. Splat. Once all the words have been found and read aloud, that is the end of the activity. So by adding some movement and energy into the lessons, students will be able to recognize their letter concepts better, as well as work on their phonemic awareness skills and recall speed in the process. If you have a student that is learning or struggling to learn their beginning consonants, this would be a great activity to play with them. If you have a student that needs a more challenging activity, try calling out multiple words and having your student hit the word in the order in which they were called.
Paint, paid, tail.
Paint, splat, paid, splat, tail, splat. There are many ways you can play this game. Which variation do you think you'll use? Let us know in the comments below how it goes. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel below for more fun activities that you can do with your student. Thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Literacy Lunch, and I'll catch you next time.